and we saw the Blessed Mother, and she was looking at us. She was like looking out like this. She was out.
How she
and
was
then she was looking at us. Not she was looking at us. So when, and then I told my friends, I go, oh, Jenny didn't tell me about the statue. When did you bring the statue? I'm like, that's amazing. But you can't. That's why I came and I stood here. You can't move. There's no way. There's no way. So that everybody, and then Aurora, my Filipino friend, old lady, she said, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. And then Joanna, my other friend, she was looking and she just didn't say anything. She was just looking. So I said, let's go see her. She looks so beautiful. And my other friend said, wait, let's go as a group. So when we got the group together, I forgot about it because they said, it's getting late, let's start the stations. We started the stations and I thought, okay, when I get to that section, I'm just gonna look back. I'm gonna look at the statue. But when I got to that station, a little boy was doing it with us and he said, can I do a station? So I got busy with the little boy and forgot all about it. When we come back down and we see a painting, I'm like, where's the statue? So we all came looking for, Aurora and I were looking for the statue and we saw the tables, but the statue wasn't there. So we're like, where's the statue? And I asked Rowena and I asked Aurora, where's the statue? And they're like, what statue? There's no statue. We saw the statue. It was right. We saw her and she's looking at us. And then Rowena tells me something very important. She's like, you know, Our Lady of Fatima, she doesn't look at you or she doesn't look up. She's looking down. I said, no, she was looking at us. Because her face was so amazing and it was just beautiful. It felt like when you go to your mom's house and your mom looks like the window, oh, my kids are here. That's how I felt. Like, oh, she was so happy. But when we come down and we see a painting, I'm like, wait a minute. It's still like, my heart counts so fast. I know, so I come back, I'm standing, I'm like, oh no, that's not what I saw. I saw her. We saw her. It's amazing.
That's amazing.
Oh my goodness.